Hi, I'm Dr. Alexandre Marchand, and I'm working at the French Anti-Doping Laboratory. I'm one of the authors of a recent publication in Drug Testing and Analysis, which is called an optimized SDS page protocol with a new blotting system for the initial testing procedure of erythropoiesis-stimulating agents in doping control. I was asked to give a few words on this work. So to begin, what led to this research and publication? In fact, the techniques to identify recombinant EPOs are based on electrophoresis and immunodetection. At the moment, for the initial testing procedures and confirmation of recombinant EPOs in doping control analysis, there are two main methods that can be used, which the isoelectronic focusing IEF page and the Sarkozyl page, STAR page. But we decided to work on SDS page that was laid down about 10 years ago because it didn't give good results for the identification of new generation of recombinant EPOs, the SERA and the EPOFC. In fact, it was due to the high molecular weight of these proteins that were not well transferred using the classic condition of SDS page. And it works well now with the SAR page, but the SAR page need to manipulate Sarkozyl, which is quite toxic, and we also were not always satisfied with the stability of the analysis and the presence of sometimes some artifacts. So we begin to work again on SDS page and try to improve the transfer of the proteins and the detection of SERA and EPOFC. And in this work, we showed that by adjusting the buffer system, we were able to improve the transfer and the detection and obtain very good sensitivity for SERA and EPOFC, as well as the first generation of recombinant EPOs. And that now we think it could be a good alternative to the other analysis, IEF and SAR page. So the significance from our finding is that with the new condition, we can now use SDS page as an initial testing procedure or as a confirmation procedure for any generation of recombinant EPOs, which adds new possibilities to test for EPOs in anti-doping laboratories. And it also can be used as another confirmation method if necessary. And any labs can choose between the three methods now. For us, we found that SDS page was in our hands more stable than SAR page, and also we had less artifacts. So we will be quite pleased to be able to use these new methods. We have presented these results, and now this possibility to use this new method and this improved method SDS page has been integrated in the new technical documents from the World Anti-Doping Agency at the end of 2020, and it will be applicable in April 2021. So it's nice because now we will be able to get rid of the Sarkozy in our lab. And we will continue, of course, to work on finding ways to simplify and reduce the time of analysis for the recombinant EPOs with the aim to always have the better sensitivity. And we showed that with this improved SDS page method, we had a very good sensitivity, which allowed the detection of EPO microdose up to a few days. So that's all for the moment, but of course we'll continue to work on that matter. Thank you.